So some of the ways that I've seen my students apply what they've learned is by taking initiative. So I no longer have to tell them, hey, you should try to do this. I see them taking on greater risks themselves and starting on ventures on their own and finding ways to gain revenue in various streams. So they're not afraid to start something just because nobody else has started it. Even if their peers or their friends might tell them, hey, you're crazy. I've seen them being comfortable with, hey, it's okay for me to be crazy and take on this risk. And they've been greatly rewarded by it, and they've failed. They've learned from their mistakes, and they're no longer afraid to make those mistakes. And they apply their lessons into their real life and continue on being a serial entrepreneur and just being observant and taking on greater opportunities. They're able to identify opportunities and come up with solutions and start these awesome business ideas.